Hello everyone. Hope everybody is doing well and hope everybody is watching my video and liking too. So today in this video I am going to cover class 6 maths chapter number 8 decimal exercise 8.3. So till 8.2 we have completed all the questions, isn't it? So any doubt you can comment below in the comment section. So here I will explain exercise 8.3 question number 1, which is greater. Means in the decimal, if the number is in decimal, how to compare a decimal number. Now first one is given what? 0.3 or 0.4. 0.3 and 0.4. Okay, in decimal it is very simple. First you will compare the digit before decimal. Before decimal 0, before decimal 0 equal, isn't it? Before decimal 0, before decimal 0 equal. Now after decimal this is 3 and after decimal this is 4. Now simply we know between 3 and 4 which is greater? 4 is greater, isn't it? So which will be greater? So here 0.3 is less than 0.4. So which is greater? 0.4 is greater. Okay, in this way we have to compare. Now second one is given what? 0.07, 0.07 and the another one 0.02. Now you will compare before 0 or before decimal it is 0 equal, isn't it? So after decimal what is the first digit? 0. So for the another term also after decimal what is the first 0 or first value is 0, isn't it? Now equal. Now second value. So after the decimal what is the second value? 7, isn't it? And after decimal what is the second value here? 2. Now which is greater? 7 is greater, isn't it? So simply this all you have to solve in your mind. Okay, I'm just explaining here. So which one is greater? So you have to compare one by one. So which is greater? 0.07 is greater than 0.02. Okay, in this way you have to solve. Now okay, it's become very dirty. Let me erase this. Now C is given 3 or 0.8. Now this number is in decimal and this is directly 3. So which is greater? So directly we can say 3. So without seeing the decimal, don't think that this is 8. So it will be greater. Okay, no, because 3 is greater than 0.8 because 0.8 is between 1 and 0 and 1, isn't it? But 3 is greater than 1 also and 0 also. That is why 3 will be greater than 0.8. Now second question D. Okay, very important. So here 0.5 and 0. So don't be come to the conclusion, don't jump. Okay, I will explain you, because in this question so many students are jumping very first and they are guessing very first and they will give what? Equal sign, but which will be false, because here you can see after decimal there is what? 5, and here also they will think after decimal it is 5, so it will be equal, but this is not correct way. Okay, how you will do? You will compare one by one. Now after decimal what is here? 5, isn't it? And here after decimal what is there? 0. Now which is greater here? 5 is greater. So how it can be equal, isn't it? So they are not equal. If I will say 0.5 and 0.05, so in this way, then which will be greater? 5 will be means 0.5 will be greater. Okay, here which will be greater? 0.5 will be greater. So 0.5 is greater to 0.05. Okay, so don't come to the conclusion, don't jump to the conclusion. So don't skip the video, please watch the video nicely without skipping, otherwise you won't understood properly. Now is there any question where you will get confusion? No. So E is very simple, so you can solve this question. Now question number F. F also. Okay, F I will explain. So F what is given? Okay, let me tell a different color of now 0.099, isn't it? And what is the next value? 0.19. Now here what is the first value? Means after, okay, both are 0, isn't it? So before decimal it is 0, so no need to compare. Now what is the first digit after first digit after decimal is what? 0 here, and first digit after decimal is what? 1, isn't it? So which will be greater, 0 or 1? So it will be 1 will be greater. So which will be the greater one? The second value will be already we have got this 1 is greater, isn't it? So no need to compare the remaining values. Okay, no need to compare the remaining values. So which will be greater here? Here 0.19 will be greater than 0.099. okay, just seeing this number, oh here after decimal 99 is there and after decimal 19 is there, so don't give that 0.099 will be greater. Okay, you have to compare one by one. Okay, after decimal you have to compare one value, and which will be greater? That will be the greater number. Now here you can see G. Now G is also important. So G is given, okay, let me check the question again, 1.5, isn't it? G is given what? G is given 1.5 and another is given 1.50. Now first digit is what? 1 equal, then after decimal what is here? 5 and 5, this is equal. So after decimal second value is what? 0, and here is nothing, means what? We can say 0, isn't it? If there is no number then 0, so it will be what? Equal. Okay, this will be equal. So don't be confused between this. So in the same way, this remaining question I will keep as a homework. Okay, this remaining question I will keep as a homework. Now question number 2, make 5 more example and find the greater. Means you have to find 5 more examples. So these are the example, isn't it? 5 more example means you will write some number according to you. Suppose I will write like this, and again I will write in this way, and I will put decimal wherever you want. Suppose I will put here and here I will put here. Now you have to compare which is greater, because before decimal here it is 4 and before decimal here is 48. Which will be greater? This will be greater. Okay, it will be not minded after decimal here is 3 and here is 2. It will be not, you will not means you will just see first the before decimal what are there. Okay, in this way you will compare. So this question is also your homework. So this one also you have to compare which one is greater. Okay, so this was the last question. So in this question only two, in this exercise in 8.3 only 2 question is there, isn't it? Just we have to compare the decimal. So thank you all of you for watching my video. Any doubt you can ask me. So in the next video I will come with the next exercise of this chapter. So till that, thank you all of you, and please do like and subscribe to my channel, and stay safe and stay home. And okay, bye bye, see you soon in the next video.